2026 updates, Honda Forza 750 things you know. Elegance in continuity. At the top of the Forza range, the Forza 750 embodies the epitome of the modern GT scooter according to Honda, sleek design, high-level comfort, and cutting-edge technology, already remarkably accomplished. The 2026 model year does not overhaul the recipe, but merely adds a new white color, confirming its status as the benchmark in the premium maxiscooter category. A smooth, even. The Forza 750 has established a unique personality, combining sporty character with near-automotive finish. In 2025, it already received a significant update: cruise control, connected TFT screen, new light signature. The 2026 model year, therefore, focuses on refinement, simply enriching its color palette with a new, elegant white shade. Technology: 5-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity, throttle by wire, TV and full riding modes standard, sport, rain, user, GT comfort, electric windscreen adjustable up to 120mm, upright riding position, increased legroom, and a 22-liter under-seat storage compartment with built-in lighting. Transmission: dual clutch transmission, DCT optimized for smoother gear shifting at low speeds. Efficiency: fuel consumption reaches 27.8 kilometers per liter WMTC mode, providing a range of up to 370 kilometers from a 13.2-liter tank.